Hello humans, I was recently lucky enough to try these Westone Audio Mach 60 IEM earbuds. These IEMs are really special because they have 6 drivers per earbud. Westone Audio has a number of IEMs with different number of drivers per earbud. So kind of a crazy company. If you go to the website and poke around, they make a lot of earbuds. Anyways, this comes with a nice Pelican style case, and pop it open. You also get a little QR code which tells you more about their products, and also a Westone Audio sticker and a little bungee cord that wraps around the earbuds. You can tell where the earbuds go in those little spots there in the top, and the earbuds fit super nice in the ear. They're really comfy once you wrap them around and get a good fit for yourself. These come with 5 silicone tips and 5 foam tips. Very nice. This case is very nice, obviously waterproof, but very large. Am I really going to take this around with me? Clip it on a carabiner? I don't know. Also kind of a fingerprint magnet. That's okay. I like nice packaging. Nice job, Westone Audio, with the packaging. Because there's 6 drivers in each earbud, you can really hear each instrument in the song so well. When you have this plugged into a DAC, it really sounds amazing, and I would recommend these. Your phone will not be able to power these anywhere close. The volume will sound like nothing, and you can hear it getting pretty crisp and chunky when the volume gets high. Your MacBook Pro will be able to power it, but overall I would say if you're going to get these earbuds, you're going to need a nice DAC. These are $1,100, so you probably already have a nice DAC if you're looking at these.